let's start with 1st May 2020. The very first point of 1st May is that 1st May is celebrated as International Labour Day. May 1 was chosen to be International Workers' Day to commemorate the 1886 Haymarket Affair in Chicago. So this is what we need to memorize, that it is celebrated as International Labour Day. Second is Kisan Sabha app. Kisan Sabha app is launched by CSIR to connect to farmers to supply chain and freight transportation management system, freight transportation in bulk, heavy transportation. ये ऐप लॉन्च की गई है to increase the profit margins for farmers by minimizing the interference of middlemen and directly connecting with the institutional buyers. मिडलमैन को खत्म कर दिया है किसान सभा ऐप ने, ताकि बायर्स से फार्मर्स सीधा ही प्रॉफिट ले सके. प्रॉफिट मार्जिन इंक्रीज हो जाएगा फार्मर्स का. द थर्ड वन, दिस इज समथिंग वी कैन से इम्पॉर्टेंट ऑन 1st May, as we have picked only the important things for each day, ताकि आपको ज़्यादा याद ना रखना पड़े, जैसे कि पहले बताया. Third one is Kashmir saffron, Manipur black rice, Chakhao and Gorakhpur terracotta. ये 3 चीजें, एक तो कश्मीरी केसर, एक मणिपुर के ब्लैक राइस जिनको चखाओ बोलते हैं, एंड गोरखपुर का टेराकोटा वर्क, ट्रेडिशनल वर्क, गॉट GI, जियोग्राफिकल इंडिकेशन टैग. कश्मीर सैफरॉन ज़्यादातर जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में कल्टीवेट होती है, इन कारवास, पुलवामा, उसके आसपास. चखाओ सेंटेड ग्लूटेनस राइस है, ब्लैक राइस जिनको बोलते हैं, और गोरखपुर टेराकोटा एक ट्रेडिशनल आर्ट फॉर्म है. इसके बारे में हम थोड़ा सा और जानते हैं. कश्मीर सैफरॉन is renowned globally as a spice. It rejuvenates health and is used in cosmetics and also for medicinal purposes. हम भी यूज करते हैं हर चीज में. कश्मीर की जो केसर है, that basically comes in 3 forms. Kashmir saffron has 3 types. First one is लच्छा सैफरॉन. लच्छा सैफरॉन में कैसी होती है कि स्टिग्मास को सेपरेट करते हैं फ्लावर से और सुखा देते हैं, बट प्रोसेस नहीं करते हैं इसको. सो लच्छा सैफरॉन को स्टिग्मास को सेपरेट करके सुखाते हैं विदाउट प्रोसेसिंग. सेकेंड इज मोंगरा सैफरॉन. मोंगरा सैफरॉन में भी स्टिग्मास को डिटैच करते हैं, धूप में सुखाते हैं, पर इसको ट्रेडिशनली प्रोसेस किया जाता है, बिकॉज ऑफ विच इट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम लच्छा सैफरॉन. एंड द लास्ट वन, गुची सैफरॉन. हमने 3 तरह की सैफरॉन पढ़ी. लच्छा जिसको प्रोसेस नहीं किया जाता, मोंगरा जिसको सुखा के प्रोसेस किया जाता है, और गुची सैफरॉन. गुची सैफरॉन में स्टिग्मास को सुखा के एयर टाइट कंटेनर्स में लूजली पैक किया जाता है. दिस इज हाउ इट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम लच्छा सैफरॉन. सो दीज आर द 3 टाइप्स ऑफ कश्मीर सैफरॉन which are available. Kashmir is well known for its saffron. Next is Chakhao, black rice. इसके स्लाइड के एंड में हम इनकी पिक्चर्स दिखाएंगे ताकि आप इसको मेमोराइज कर सकें कि ये दिखते कैसे हैं. चखाओ और ब्लैक राइस, इट हैज एंटीऑक्सीडेंट प्रॉपर्टीज. इसमें एक एंटीऑक्सीडेंट होता है. द नेम ऑफ दैट एंटीऑक्सीडेंट इज एंथोसायनिन. I can write it. so that you remember anthocyanin. Anthocyanin, which helps in fighting many health issues. It's good for diabetes and healthy heart too. It has anti-inflammatory properties. So black rice, chak khao, इनको भी GI tag मिला है. These are from Manipur. The last one is terracotta work of Gorakhpur. It's a traditional art form. Terracotta or clay craft is a clay-based unglazed ceramic. As you can see, the Kashmir saffron, black rice and terracotta Gorakhpur work. This is terracotta work. It is basically red in color. ये पुराने ज़माने की जो pottery making होती थी उसको आगे promote किया हुआ. It's a symbol of man's first attempt at craftsmanship. This has also achieved the GI tag. So by pictures you can better understand इन 3 चीज़ों को geographical indication tag मिला है. So ये थी 1 मई की खबरें. Now is 2 May 2020. 2 May 2020 में जो मेन इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट हैं वो है अतुल्य. It's a microwave sterilizer and a cost-effective solution to disintegrate coronavirus by DIAT. DIAT, Defense Institute of Advanced Technology, पुणे. ये जो अतुल्य माइक्रोवेव स्टेरिलाइजर बनाया गया है, it disintegrates by differential heating in the range of 56 degree to 60 degree. 56 डिग्री से 60 डिग्री तक के टेम्परेचर में ये कोरोना वायरस को डिसइंटीग्रेट कर देता है. इट इज हेल्पफुल एंड इट हैज़ बीन टेस्टेड फॉर ह्यूमन. इट हैज़ फाउंड टू बी सेफ और ये नॉन मेटल्स पे ही बरता जाता है. It is used only on non-metallic substances. The time of sterilization can be varied from 30 seconds to 1 minute. Its weight is 3 kilogram. It is very portable. So अतुल्य नाम का एक माइक्रोवेव स्टेरिलाइजर बनाया गया है by DIAT. Next is 3rd May 2020. 3rd May 2020 is celebrated as World Press Freedom Day. It's celebrated. इस बार का थीम था Journalism without fear or fever, the theme of 2020. World Press Freedom Day symbolizes freedom of press and tribute to journalists who have lost their lives in journalism. On the Global Press Freedom Index, India has ranked to 142. This is worth remembering that India's rank in it is 142 among 180 countries and Norway is the first. See how concise it is. 4th May 2020 की खास करंट अफेयर्स हैं. यूनियन मिनिस्टर फॉर रूरल डेवलपमेंट एंड पंचायती राज श्री Narendra Singh Tomar has launched Saras Collection on the Government e-Marketplace GEM portal. ये है क्या Saras Collection? Saras Collection is actually it showcases daily utility products made by rural self-help groups. Self-help groups के बारे में आपने पहले भी पढ़ा होगा कि ये ऐसे ग्रुप्स हैं पुअर पीपल के जो कि आपस में इकट्ठे होके काम करते हैं. इनको प्रमोट करने के लिए गवर्नमेंट ने टू प्रमोट देयर प्रोडक्ट्स गवर्नमेंट हैज लॉन्च्ड दिस सरस कलेक्शन टू हेल्प दी सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्स. Next is 5th May 2020. 5th May 2020 के important current affairs. First one is China launched the Long March 5B rocket and prototype spacecraft. Prototype means its first version, first vehicle, first of its form, which is to construct space station and transport astronauts. ये अपने आप में ही एक बहुत बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट है, बहुत अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट चाइना ने लॉन्च किया है. इसके एक कैप्सूल is capable of carrying 5 to 6 astronauts to space. Next is, this was really very much in news in recent days, that because of the United States interference, or we can say the crippling actions of United States, जो कि उन्होंने प्रतिबंध लगाए हुए थे, because of that, Iran's national currency has been changed from Riyal to Toman. You'll be surprised to know कि उनकी इतना sharp fall आया था economy में, that they have to take this step by changing the currency from Riyal to Toman, and 1 Toman is equal to 10,000 riyals. This is the main point, that how much the currency has fallen, or how much the economy has fallen down. Next, Civil Aviation Ministry and DGCA, Directorate General Civil Aviation, launched Garud portal. Garud has a full form government authorization for relief using drones, for providing fast track conditional exemptions to government agencies for COVID-19 related drone operations. ये दिल्ली, जयपुर और इस तरह के cities में it has been started, because since the outbreak of COVID-19 in India, authorities have used drones for surveillance in several cities, so that it can help government entities also, to aid government entities to survey the violation of rules and regulation, ताकि proper काम हो सके, कुछ ज़्यादा problem ना आए, क्योंकि lockdown हुआ था. Because of that, they have launched this Garud portal, कि ड्रोन ऑपरेशंस अच्छे से इन सिटीज में अपनाए जा सके. नेक्स्ट है 6 मई 2020. 6 मई 2020 में सबसे पहली जो इम्पोर्टेंट करंट अफेयर है, दैट इज ऑपरेशन समुद्र सेतु. इंडियन नेवी हैज लॉन्च्ड दिस ऑपरेशन समुद्र सेतु, व्हिच इज अ पार्ट ऑफ वंदे भारत मिशन. वंदे भारत मिशन to repatriate मतलब अपने मुल्क को वापस लाना इंडियन सिटीजन्स फ्रॉम ओवरसीज. ये मालदीव्स में इन्होंने 2 शिप्स भेजी थी, जिनका नाम था, पहले शिप का नाम था जलाश्व, और दूसरी का नाम था मगर. MAGAR. Indian naval ships Jalashwa and Magar were en route to Malé City, the Republic of Maldives, to start evacuation of Indian citizens stranded there. Vande Bharat mission, जिसका ये पार्ट है, it has launched on May 7, 2020 by the Government of India, to evacuate Indian citizens stranded in different parts of the world due to COVID-19 pandemic. The next one is Pulitzer Prize winners. ये शायद कई लोगों ने नाम पहली बार सुना हो, but it is very important for India. नाम इसलिए पहली बार सुना हो सकता है because this is United States based prize. The Pulitzer Prize is an award for achievement in newspaper, magazine, online journalism, literature, and musical composition in the United States. It has generally 21 categories. In 20 of those categories, the winners receive $15,000 cash and a certificate, and only one winner in public service category of the journalism competition is awarded a gold medal. तो इन कैटेगरीज में हमारे 5 लोगों को, इंडिया के 5 people has got Pulitzer Prize. वो हैं मुख्तार खान, दार यासीन, Channi Anand won the award in the feature category, and Anushri Farnavis, Adnan Abidi won in breaking news photography category. The last of this week, 7th May 2020. This was also a very important day in current affairs, because as in recent news you might have heard that many people on road fainted. They just fainted in Visakhapatnam. हुआ क्या था? Gas leak at LG Polymers near the Gopalampatnam area of Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh. Which gas leaked? Styrene gas. Styrene gas leaked. It's an alkaline benzene compound. It's an organic compound with chemical formula. Those who are from chemistry background, they can well understand, or from the science background, that the chemical formula is C6H5 CH double bond CH2. This is styrene gas. It's an organic compound, benzene compound. It's colorless oily liquid. The main part is it is neurotoxic and carcinogenic. It was neurotoxic, that is why the people just roaming or on the road, they just fainted. And it is carcinogenic too, cancer inducing also. And to neutralize its impact, after this catastrophic event, the Gujarat government has announced that it will send a crucial chemical named PTBC. This is also very important. Para-tertiary butyl catechol, made in Vapi, Gujarat, has been sent to neutralize its impact. Next is Young Career Award. On 7th May, an IIT Bombay professor, Saurabh Lodha, has received the Young Career Award in Nanoscience and Technology. This award is conferred by Department of Science and Technology, DST, and the contribution of Saurabh Lodha ji, who is an electrical engineer and professor in IIT Bombay, the contribution of him was in logic transistor technologies. He worked in logic transistors, beyond silicon and nanoelectronic devices. So friends, by here we end up with the weekly news by Wow Study.